Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. We're using the SmartPro and we're using it on a Nissan. For this example, we've got the key which needs to be programmed in here, and we've also got the label which we've taken from the car. So in this video we're going to show you how to convert the BCM number to program in the car key. So we're going to go transponder. No, we're not. We're going to go vehicle, and we're going to find our Nissan. Where is it? Nissan. Okay, and we're in Australia, so we're going to go through the models. This is an L Grand. Let's see if it's listed first before we use the system. CD, there we go, L Grand. 2002, 2010 Blade E51. That's the one. Okay, connect. Now the ignition is off, the thing's on. It's telling us to turn the ignition on. Let's turn it on. So this remote is programmed. Okay. Battery voltage very low. Okay, failed. Let's turn that off. This has an aftermarket immobilizer. Turn that off. Locked, unlocked. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try connecting. So the vehicle's just trying to establish communications. Communication failed. Try ignition. Okay, dash lights up. Okay, now we found it. So the reason it wouldn't work originally when we turned the ignition on, because it has an aftermarket immobilizer, so we needed to enable the aftermarket immobilizer, then turn the ignition on before we get communications. Let's go program keys. Okay, do not depress the brake pedal. Ensure that all 4 doors are closed, and there is a maximum of 4 keys. Okay, let's go. Closing the door now. Okay, if program, insert key number 1. So here's our key. It's got the correct chip, but it is not registered in this car because we tried to turn the ignition on, it wouldn't work. Okay, all keys will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Unable to read the BCM label. Okay. Ignition should be in the one position. Do you have a BCM label? Yes, we do. So now it's actually going to convert the BCM label. Let's do that. So I've got a photo of it here. Here's our BCM label. Let's go through and put the unit code in. E36D4. Enter. So this machine has the BCM converter inside, built in. Okay, maximum of 4 keys. Okay. Okay, so it's given us our 2 pin codes now, the new one and the old one automatically built in. So we didn't have to decode the code. Do you want to use the old pin code? Yes. I heard something tick and it says switch ignition off. So we can switch that off. Okay. Switch ignition on with key number 1. And now on the dash here, see how it's gone green? That means this key is working. It also allowed us to turn the ignition with this key in the ignition. If this key wasn't programmed, the ignition would not turn. So let's go back to go OK. Do you want to program any more keys? No. Switch ignition off. Let's do that. Switch ignition off. Okay, it's off. Okay, so let's put these two, let's put the proximity remote about 1 meter away. Okay, to check if the key is programmed or not, without the proximity and range, you try and turn the ignition on. If it doesn't turn, it means that it doesn't have a key in it, or the remote control is not close enough. So now let's try with the remote control a long way away. We're just going to try and see if this key is programmed. If we put in the ignition and it allows you to turn, it means it's working. So we're going to put it in. I can hear it click and it allows me to turn. That means that key is now programmed in to the car's computer and will allow the car to start. And try it, and the key is programmed and the key light has gone out from the dash. So this key is now programmed. And we put this back. Okay, thanks for watching.